Hello friends, happy bowler and welcome to Around the Greens. Today I'm going to show you the Lightning Ridge Bowling Club out in the middle of Australia. It's 800 k's from Sydney, Brisbane, Canberra. It's well out. It's amazing experience coming out here, and I'm going to give you a walk around. I've got Scotty, the CEO, he's going to join me. So we'll switch this. There it is, there's grass green over there. To the left you can just see the roof of the dome. That's the undercover green. There it is, Lightning Ridge District Bowling Club. It's a pretty impressive club, very big. They do a lot for the local community here. Just a bit of a walk around. There's their accommodation. There's plenty of accommodation straight across the road. You need accommodation. That's where we ride. So here we go. There he is.
Welcome to the Lightning Ridge Bowling Club.
Thank you, Scott.
How have you been? How'd you pull up after your big call?
Mate, what a great couple of days. What a great 4 days of this event. We've been up here for the Black Opal. So this is a walk into the main foyer of the club. A very big mining, Black Opal mining community.
Yeah. Home of the Australia's national gemstone.
So many, yeah, so there's so much to do out here as well. There's a lot of, just quickly, just take us through. There's a lot of activities, you know.
Oh, for sure. Look, Lightning Ridge is a really unique place. It's one of Outback New South Wales' two destinations. So we get a lot of visitors through here, about 55 to 65,000 people a year. So there are mines you can go underground in. We've got the most amazing water park you've ever seen in our swimming pool. We've got artesian springs that you can soak your weary bones after 4 days of bowling.
It gets like 40 degrees or something.
That's indeed, yeah, 40, 42 degrees.
Natural
it's not
water.
uncommon. So that's from the Great Artesian Basin, which stretches from here to South Australia up through Queensland.
Yep.
Catches a bit of the Northern Territory. We've got the fabulous Cardell tours. You can go and visit the two castles, the Ridge Castle and Migos Castle.
Okay.
So plenty of things to do. The sun sets out here and the night sky's amazing. You've got no pollution, and it rains here about once a year, so you don't get much cloud cover either. So if you're from the city, you won't see skies like it.
Yeah, it's an amazing experience, and it's a different drive, so definitely put it out there, somewhere to come. So let's switch around and walk into the main foyer here at the Ridge. We've got this massive TV. Here.
So what you're seeing playing on the TV now is one of our big festivals that happens every Easter. So lots of activities in the town. We bring in some mining gear and we set up strength challenges and kids activities, give away tens of thousands of dollars worth of prizes. There's a rodeo, we've got a race meet. There is a fireworks display that would rival Sydney's, and I'm not even exaggerating that.
Yeah, wow.
So come on here at Easter time. That's okay. We've got a couple of our players for the Black Opal Classic heading home after 4 days of
4 days of bowlers. I reckon they'll sleep well tonight.
Yeah, they will indeed.
They will sleep very well tonight. So we come in. It's $3 to join up. $5 to join up as a member, and you get $3 back on your card. For wherever you want to spend it. We got this amazing pizza.
Yeah, espresso bar and pizza bar. Got gelato. It's open from 10 o'clock every morning. And so if you want to get yourself a really nicely made coffee, or you want to grab one of our 20 delectable pizzas, or some of our fabulous gelato, this is the place to come to. So it can be hard to get a snack in Lightning Ridge outside of between 2 and 5, when the restaurants are shut and the cafes are closed.
Yep.
So this is the place to grab.
Place to go. You got a function room upstairs.
Yeah, about 100-seat function room upstairs. The lift for the disabled. Nothing really exciting to see up there, but coming into our main club auditorium here now, we can put 600 or 700 people in here, and it is a multi-purpose space. So we've just done the presentation of the Black Opal Classic. We've got TV screens all around, so any sport you want to catch, we've got it on show here. And the main bar, Boulders Bar, and of course if you keep heading out to your left there, Happy, you can see our synthetic bowling green and shade sail, and maybe we'll head out there, take a look at that, and come back through the sports bar.
Absolutely, sounds good.
So had a lot of fun under the shade sail today. We played the finals of the Black Opal Classic. And one lucky team walked away. Well, they weren't lucky, they were incredibly talented.
They
walked away.
$5,000 each.
$5,000 each. Not a bad day's work.
20 grand for first prize. So as we walk out these doors, we walk out and we've got the bowling facility out here undercover, which is very impressive.
Yeah, so the synthetic bowls green only went in last April, so it's not even a year old yet. And of course this magnificent shade sail, 46 by 44 metres, 2 6-metre fans up in the ceiling, misting, lighting. We've even got a mirror board if you feel like cutting a rug.
Have a go at these fans, okay? Have a go at these fans. 6 metres in width. They are called big ass fans. And
with good reason.
With good reason, exactly. There's the mister, so that there will spray water down over the players and that, and spectators that are sitting around the green. You can see some of the artwork down there.
Yeah, John Murray, local artist, he's the pro heart of Lightning Ridge. Now, he's famous the world over, and he's in the middle of creating a mural for us. We can probably walk out on the green and get across to that mural and take a look at it.
That's the grass green back over that way. Got the grass green, and there's your clubhouse, just there. We've got a rugby league field over the back there as well. That's where the Redbacks, home of the Redbacks. And that shed there, that's sort of the greenkeeper's room, bowls, storage. Those windows there on the left, they've actually got a setup in there with TV monitors where they've got cameras. You can see that camera there? So they got them along the green. They're going to put them out, so they'll be actually able to live stream the bowls on all rinks from those cameras. We all hate when people stand in the middle of the green, so they've got some cameras that are up high which will zoom down, and yeah, we wouldn't have to worry about anyone standing in the way. But have a look at this photo, this picture, this mural.
Yeah, so John Murray, been painting here for 40 years. His art gallery is one of the famous visitor attractions in town.
Yep.
And yeah, here we've got a commemoration to the Black Opal Classic, which has been running for 26 years now. Kicked off in 1996. A couple of years we were closed for COVID. And right there on your right of the cup is Peter Williams, the founding director who established the entire classic. To his right is a lady named Madeline Lenz, who donated £50,000 back in the mid-60s to actually found this club.
Wow.
So she was a bush nurse, she came from money, and she was a crack shot. And so what John Murray does with his artwork is he gives human characteristics to outback animals, and the colours that he uses in his paintings are just spectacular.
I mean, that really is awesome. I mean, have a look at this. Have a look at this dude's beard. I mean, have a go at it. Have a look at the detail. I mean, that is unbelievable. That is awesome.
Now, these are larger than life, quite literally, so they're about probably 1.25 scale. The one we're featuring there with the red beard is a tribute to our greenkeeper, Adam Webb, and just to his left is his brother, David, who was a state singles bowls champion as well. And of course, the black cockatoo at the end is one of our directors, Philip Morris. Many nicknames, like Little Moo, like Big Phil. I like to call him the Sturgeon because he stitches everybody up. But yeah, one of life's gentlemen, played very well in the Black Opal Classic, as did Webby, Adam Webb and Dave Webb. Both made it through, all three of them made it through to the quarter final.
Okay, wow. These are big ass fans. I love the name of them.
Yeah, nobody's going to get confused, but it shows you the scale of these cover, doesn't it? I mean, that's a 6 metres fan, and it looks like it could be sitting on somebody's desk.
Yeah, no, it's mate, you've got an impressive facility here, and it's a credit. So
now, just heading towards the TAB now, so full betting facility here for those who like a punt.
Gamers room.
And of course 3 pool tables, and tonight we'll be setting them on the free mode, and the club's pool comp will get underway at about 7:30, I'd say, just after the raffle.
Okay,
so we'll head on there now and
free
show you
pool
what
comp
the
tonight.
Yeah. So your chance to win. You told me you get the best value out of the pool table.
I do, mate. I get exactly. I get good value for money out of me playing pool. Here it is here. So it's 3 pool tables. We've got some paintings up around the wall, the footy sides, the NRL sides up around there.
Another local artist, he's now sadly passed away, so we can't get the latest editions of the RL added to our collection. I can't remember his name right now, but if we see Ray Brown on our travels, he'll be able to tell you all about him.
Okay, so this is the punters room, the gaming room. It had been pretty solid, pretty packed out.
It's been a popular place to be. 36 degrees it got up to today, and so the air conditioning brings you down to 22, and I know where I'd rather be, having a beer.
Yes. So plenty of badges on the wall here. So
yeah, well, female president, she's again passed away, collected many bowling club badges over the years, and yes, we've got them on display here.
Okay.
A lot of people spent a bit of time out here and trying to find the old badge when they used to have the enamel and metal badges.
Mate, that was one of the things that we had. Like I remember as a kid, if you won a badge, I was so proud. Like my dad had badges, and it's one thing that I sort of we don't have that so much no more in the bowls. So
we're going to head round now in front of our main bar. You can see the crowds are rocking in on a Friday night here. It's a little bit noisy, and plenty of things available. We've got cocktails happening, discounted drinks in the fish tanks. Our bar staff working at a ferocious rate behind us. And great selection of wine, fabulous selection of beer, cocktails, spirits and cider. So you can get it all here.
Yep.
Now we're coming into the dining area, and you can see much of the John Murray artwork that we have around here. We have 35 of his pieces in our collection.
Yeah, around the walls.
And so he paints us a new image for the Makeover Classic every year. So that gets featured on the staff shirts.
Look at all these images. Look at this. How good's that? Wow. 2019 shirts. What we got here? Here's another one.
Yeah, this is the one we didn't run.
This is the COVID one?
The COVID one. You picked that by the masks.
You got the mask on, here you go. How good's that?
Girls behind the counter here, we're serving both an Asian menu and a European menu.
Yeah, nice big area.
And about 160 seats in here.
So we're going to have later as well, we're going to have the Lightning Ridge, the brewery friends.
Yeah, well, I've always wanted to bottle Lightning, Happy.
Bottle Lightning.
Where else would you do it but Lightning Ridge?
I mean, those photos, they're just so good. So is that like a canvas, is it? Or?
Yeah, that's canvas.
Canvas, there you go, it's all on canvas. Wow, very talented, isn't he? So we're going out the staff only area, behind the scenes here. This is the brewery in disguise.
Yeah, that's right. It's well camouflaged right now.
At the moment, yes, but this is the back of the room. Another back area. Could almost be an indoor bowling green.
Yeah, well, I've run the tape over it, Happy, to check whether we can put one in here.
Okay, we'll have a look at this old shack, like the shed thing here. What's this?
Well, that's where we used to call it the pub in the club.
Pub in the club.
But sadly, as you know, it's been a 36-degree day here today.
It's hot out here.
It's hot out here. When it's a 50-degree day out here, nobody's coming out here.
Yeah, no.
So where that shack is will be where we'll be putting the brewing kettles.
The brewing kettles.
The curved ceiling in this space goes up 6.5 metres, and we'll have a gantry up there, brewery tours, some Indigenous artwork, our own canning and kegging lines, kitchen, bathrooms, bar. So we're really looking forward to that.
No. Well, I look forward to sampling the Lightning Ridge Brewery.
So stay tuned for that one. And we're just coming up to our bottle shop, so we have a full bottle shop facility here as well.
Some more murals.
Yeah, John Murray.
Johnny Murray.
Absolute legend.
Googling Johnny Murray. I mean, what I've seen is unbelievable. Okay, so we're about to go out here and be on we're at the bottle shop.
Yeah, let's go around to the left through that door. Oh. That's all right.
There's the lucky winner. Lucky Henselite winner. Here we go. So we've also got the bottle shop.
Yeah, so we've got full range of spirits, full range of wines, full range of beers. Great cool room because we like our cold.
Yeah, it is very cold here.
We even stick the happy cam out here.
I'll see you in an hour.
Happy's found his natural habitat.
Yes, I feel like home. So this is the cool room, and it is very nice in here. And they stock it they buy 2 weeks worth at a time. Is that correct?
Yeah, we buy by the truckload. So we'll
by the truckload.
Yeah, we'll put 44 pallets in every week, basically. So that serves the bottle shop, and it's
okay.
Yeah, so we don't want to run out. We've been cut off with COVID, bushfires, floods. We don't get bushfires here, but we have them around us.
Yep.
We don't get flooded here, but we have them all around us. So when the trucks can't get through, we don't want the town to run dry. And so we're stocked up, ready to go.
Good work, good work. Well, I want to say, well, hello, here's a staff member. And all the staff members have got these lovely shirts on. They're all got their black opal shirts. And yeah. How have you been working hard?
Assistant Manager Amelia Maxwell here, no less.
Assistant Manager?
About to head off on 2 weeks holiday. And where do I busted it? In the bottle shop.
Not before I get a carton of beer.
Oh, God. God. Alright. Awesome. So there we go. Well, that's pretty much around the club. That's the club.
Around the club. Thanks for tuning in and having a look. When you're thinking about heading out west, Lightning Ridge Bowling Club is the place to come and visit. All the staff here are incredibly friendly. They know lots about the town, and they'll give you all the tips you need to spend 3 or 4 days here in sunny Lightning Ridge.
Awesome. Well done, and that's around the grounds, friends, at Lightning Ridge Bowling Club. Guru.